Morning, guys. Today we are going to focus on rereading. Good readers reread. Sometimes you don't have to. Sometimes you're reading a just really easy book and you do not have to reread. But other times you're going to find things that are a little more challenging. Today I'd like you to read a non-fiction text. That means what? All true facts. Okay, so you're going to read one, and I just want you to read. It can be just a small article. I've assigned some in Epic. If you want to choose one of those, or if you just want to look, you can read a nonfiction book, and then you're going to reread a section that was a little bit confusing to you. Look, when you're learning things, sometimes the first time you hear it or the first time you read it, you're like, I don't get it. That happens to me still. I still am doing that. Matter of fact, all last week I spent the whole time going, I don't get this. I need to reread and understand how to do stuff online. So that happens to adults. That's going to happen to you. When you get to that part of a text, a passage, when you're reading something and you're like, I don't get what's happening, go back and reread. Sometimes that can happen when you're reading, your mind drifts a little bit. I think I've told you guys before that sometimes when I'd be doing a read aloud with you guys, my mind would drift onto the science lesson or maybe what I was going to get at the grocery store, and I would realize I had read 2 paragraphs and I didn't even know what happened in the paragraphs. If your mind drifts, you have to go back and reread to the last part that you remember. Good readers reread. We visualize, we predict, we ask questions, we reread. So today, you're going to tell me about a passage that you had to reread in order to understand a little bit better. Okay? We'll do that in the discussion. See you guys.